Hello learners, welcome back to our channel, and in today's video we are going to study about John Donne's famous poem No Man is an Island. We'll see our summary and explanation. Before delving into our main topic, let's have a look into John Donne's life. Donne is one of the greatest English poets influencing both religious and secular literature. He was born in London, England on January 22, 1572. In the same city, he died in the year 1631 on 31st of March. Talking about his occupation, he was a poet, cleric, and lawyer. So, as a cleric, he was associated with church and was quite close to religion. And this one thing is quite visible or dominant in his poetry. His era was metaphysical poetry era from 17th century, and he himself was a metaphysical poet. His key works include Holy Sonars, Devotions upon Emergent Occasions, and The Flea. The themes that were always there in his poetry included love, death, religion, and human connection. The last three themes, these are prevailing in our uh, current poem that we are going to explore. Then Dunn, he is also known for complex imagery, wit, and exploration of deep philosophical and spiritual themes. No Man is an Island is a famous poem by John Donne, often included in his larger work Devotion upon Emergent Occasions, and it is a profound meditation on the interconnectedness of humanity. Now, this one thing, interconnectedness of humanity, it is the you can say that it is the main content or main theme of this poem. We have to hold on to that theme throughout this poem. Let's have a look into the explanation of the first line. No man is an island entire of itself. This line means that no person is a completely self sufficient person, just as an island is a piece of land entirely surrounded by water, cut off from the rest of the land. Dunn argues that no person is completely independent or isolated. We are all connected to each other and rely on one another in various ways, whether we realize it or not. Then every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. Here, the word main refers to continent, and in these lines, Donne extends the metaphor by stating that every individual is like a piece of continent, part of a larger whole. The continent represents entire humanity or society. Just as a continent is made up of many pieces of land, humanity is made up of many individuals who are all connected. Each person is a vital part of the larger community. In the stanza 2, if a cloud be washed away by sea, Europe is less. Now, the word clod refers to a small chunk of earth. Dunn is saying that if even a small piece of land, a clod, is washed away by the sea, the continent or Europe is diminished. This metaphor illustrates that the loss of even one person diminishes the whole humanity. The idea is that each person has value and contributes to the world, so when someone is lost, it affects everyone. As well as if a promontory were, as well as uh, if a manner of thy friends or of thine own were. So, a promontory is a large, prominent piece of land that juts out into the sea. Then compares the loss of a small cloud of earth to the loss of a large promontory, emphasizing that any loss, whether small or great, is significant. The loss of a friend or even oneself is just as impactful as the loss of the large piece of land. Every individual's life is important and their loss is felt by the whole community. In the stanza 3, any man's death diminishes me because I'm involved in mankind. Dunn expresses that the death of any person affects him personally. This is because he sees himself as a part of the collective human experience. connected to all other people. The idea is that because we are all part of the same human race, the death of one person is a loss to everyone, including Donne himself. And therefore, never send to know for whom the bell tolls, it tolls for thee. In the final line, Donne refers to the practice of ringing church bell to announce his death. He advises that there is no need to ask for whom the bell is tolling or ringing, as it is ringing for everyone, including the listener. Since we are all connected, the death of any person is a reminder of our own mortality and our connection to the deceased. The tolling bell serves as a metaphor for the universal human experience of death and the shared loss that each death represents. Um, Now, let's summarize this poem. So, the poem emphasizes the interconnectedness of all human beings. Dunn argues that no one is truly isolated and the loss of one person affects the entire human race. He highlights the idea that we are all part of a larger whole and the well being of each individual impacts the well being of everyone. The poem serves as a reminder of our shared humanity and the importance of empathy, compassion, and unity. So, this was all about our today's video. Hope so you liked it. If you have any question, you may ask in the comment section. And soon we'll upload a video about the critical analysis of this same poem. No man is an island. Stay tuned with us for our next video. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, subscribe, and share our channel. Thank you. See you later.